Hi, welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. This is continuation of your previous classes. We were discussing about how to convert areas of equal triangles to triangles of same area. Now we are discussing about how a quadrilateral can be converted to a triangle of same area. So for that, first we have to draw a quadrilateral, that is a four-sided figure. So let me take the ruler and compass. These are all you need for drawing the construction. Construction means it should be done properly. So first I am going to draw a polygon. Polygon means a quadrilateral. So one side, this is one side of a quadrilateral. Here I am not measurement and all, we'll do it after this. First we'll study how to convert a quadrilateral to a triangle of same area. So this is a quadrilateral. Now what you have to do is, in order to convert to a triangle of equal area, we need to draw a diagonal there. So I'm drawing a diagonal. This is the diagonal. So either you can join this diagonal or the other way also you can join it. Now I am considering this one, any one diagonal only you have to draw. So I have drawn a diagonal. Now for this diagonal, I have to draw a line parallel on this vertex. So for this diagonal, I am drawing a line parallel. So you know how to draw a parallel line. That is, using set square itself you have to draw it. Now since I have taught you how to draw the parallel line, I am not taking the set square again and doing all those things. I am just drawing a parallel line. That is a line parallel to, this is ABCD, and the line parallel to AC. AC എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ലൈനിന് പാരലൽ ആയിട്ടാണ് vertex D യിൽ ഞാൻ ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്. And you have to extend the base BC till it touches the parallel line. So what we have done is, first we have to draw a diagonal, that is we have to join the diagonal. A and C, those 2 points should be joined. A യും C യും കൂടെ join ചെയ്യാം. അതിന് പാരലൽ ആയിട്ട് പോയിന്റ് ഡിയിൽ ഒരു ലൈൻ പാരലൽ ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കുക. അതായത് എ സിക്ക് പാരലൽ ആയിട്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്. Then you have to extend the base BC till it touches the parallel line. ഈ പാരലൽ ലൈനിനെ ടച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നവരെ നമ്മൾ ഈ ബി സിയുടെ ലൈൻ ഇങ്ങനെ എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. Then what you have to do next? From the point A, join to this vertex. ഇവിടേക്ക് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you are getting a new triangle. ഏതാണ് ന്യൂ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ? This will be the new triangle. ആ ന്യൂ ട്രയാങ്കിളിന് ഒരു പേര് കൊടുക്കുക. That is ABD, sorry not D, E. ABE will be the new triangle of same area as that of the quadrilateral. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് അതിന് സെയിം ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? We can see that this portion, that is ഈ ABC, that triangle is common for both the quadrilateral as well as this triangle. This much is common, that is this region. This region is common for the quadrilateral as well as for the triangle. Only thing is that we need to show that we have to consider triangle ADC and triangle AEC. Those two are the two triangles which we have to consider. There we can see that ADC, triangle ADC യും triangle AEC യും ആ രണ്ട് parallel lines ന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് വരുന്നതാണ്. See, you can see here one parallel line is this. Between this line and this line, AC. If I am considering AC as the base, you can see that ADC and AEC are triangles of equal area because of the concept which we studied earlier. നേരത്തെ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ച അതേ concept, that is, if the bases are same and those two triangles are coming under the same parallel line, then those two triangles will be having same area. So triangle ADC and triangle AEC, will be having same area. So those two triangles are having same area. Hence what we can say, this quadrilateral ABCD and triangle ABE will be having same area, because this part it is common, that red region is common for both quadrilateral and for triangle. Only difference is in this, that is ADC and AEC. ADC and AEC also we know that is having same area because they are coming under the same parallels. So we can say that the quadrilateral and triangle are having equal area, that is quadrilateral, which is a quadrilateral ABCD and triangle ABE are having equal area. Next we'll move on to the exercise questions. So the first question here is, draw two quadrilaterals shown below. Draw triangles of the same area and calculate the areas. That is page number 15. Question number 1. So one quadrilateral is given with measurement. So the measurements given here are, here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter length, then 80 degree one angle is given, then this is the other side. This is a rough figure I am drawing here. Then okay, and the measurements I'll write it here. It is given as 5 centimeter the base, and this angle is 80 degree. Then here one obtuse angle 120 degree. This is 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. How to construct? First we have to construct this quadrilateral, then we have to convert to triangle of equal area. First we have to construct means, first what you have to do is take 5 centimeter length. Draw a 5 centimeter long line. Whenever you are drawing something, the measurement should be written then and there, 5 centimeter. Then take the protractor, measure 80 degree in the protractor. You have to keep the protractor here, measure 80 degree. See, these all taking protractor, construction, everything I have shown in the previous videos. So I am just showing how you have to draw it. So here you have to take 80 degree in the protractor. Then draw a straight line from there. This is 80 degree angle. Then next what you have to do is, that line should be 3 centimeter. So from here take the compass and cut the arc as that length should be 3 centimeter. Then from here again take 120 degree in the protractor. Using the protractor, keep it here, measure 120 degrees, then draw a straight line measuring that, should be 120 degree. Then this length, that length should be 4 centimeter. Now join the ends of both these. Okay, so here this angle is 120 degree. This is the original quadrilateral which we have to draw it with the given measurement. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന മെഷർമെന്റ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ വരച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആദ്യം 5 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ എടുത്തു, പിന്നെ 80 ഡിഗ്രി മെഷർ ചെയ്തു, then a straight line we draw that, then that length should be 3 centimeter. From there again 120 degree, then again 4 centimeter, then join the ends. So you are getting a quadrilateral. Now we have to convert to a triangle of same area. For that, as usual, earlier I have told you, you have to join the diagonals. You have to draw the diagonal. So any one diagonal you can draw, either this side or the other side. So one diagonal I have drawn. Now next thing is that you have to draw the line parallel to it. So before that, let me mark the sides. Let it be A, B, C and D. So we have to draw a line parallel to BD at the vertex at the point C. So I'm drawing a line here and it should be parallel to BD. You have to keep the set square and draw it. It should touch at the point C. Next, extend the line AB till it touches the parallel line. So the parallel line also should be extended, then only it will be touching this line. So next step is from the point D, join to this end. So we can see that this is E. We can see that BDE and BCD, BDE and BDC are two triangles with equal areas. Because if we are considering BD as a base, ഇവിടെ BD ബേസും പാരലൽ ലൈൻ CE ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഇടയ്ക്കുള്ള ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ആണ് BCDയും BEDയും. We'll shade it and see. This is one triangle. Equal area, ഈ BCDക്ക് equal ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഏരിയ ഉള്ള ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ആണ് this one. It is coming under the same parallel line and they are having the same base. So both those triangles are same area. So now we can see the new triangle. New triangle is ABAED. That is, this one is a new triangle. AED is the new triangle, that is quadrilateral. Okay, I have to write down the quadrilateral ABCD and triangle AED are having equal area. So similarly, there one more question is there in the same page, that is to construct quadrilateral and convert to triangle of equal area, that you have to try out yourself. Then next question is question number 3. I'm doing the question number 3 here. Third question is, that is, draw a regular pentagon. First you have to draw a regular pentagon. So just I'm drawing a regular pentagon here. Then what you have to do is, you have to make it as a triangle of the same area. How to make this pentagon as a triangle? So for that I have to join these two vertices. So two diagonals should be drawn. One is this one, then here two diagonals. So for a quadrilateral you have to draw only one diagonal, whereas for a pentagon you have to draw two diagonals. So after that you have to draw two parallel lines. If two diagonals are drawn, you have to draw two parallels. So one parallel for this, that is, let it be A, B, C, D, E. So for AD we have to draw a parallel line at E, and for BD you have to draw a parallel line at C. AD ki parallel ആയിട്ട് E ൽ വരയ്ക്കണം, BD ki parallel ആയിട്ട് C ലും വരയ്ക്കണം. So the first parallel line should be drawn at E. At E. The second parallel line should be drawn at C, which is parallel to BD. So second parallel line. So two parallel lines. One is parallel to AD, which is at E. AD ki parallel ആയത് E ൽ വരച്ചു, BD ki parallel ആയത് C ലും വരച്ചു. Now the base, that is AB, should be extended to both sides. The line AB is being extended to both the sides. Then join from D to these 2 points where the parallel line meets. So the new triangle obtained, we can shade the new triangle obtained, and that triangle is, I'll mark it and show you which is the new triangle. This is the new triangle. And why we are saying that this triangle is having equal area to that regular pentagon? What is the reason for that? See, you can see that if I am marking this region as red, see, we have drawn parallels for AD at E and for BD, HC. So there you can see AD, ഇവിടെ ഒരു പോയിന്റും കൂടെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ let it be F, this point let it be F and let this be G. You can see AD ക്ക് പാരലൽ ആണ് ഈ EF എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ആ ലൈൻ. അതിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് വരുന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ആണ് AFD യും AED യും. സെയിം വേ BD ക്ക് പാരലൽ ആയിട്ടാണ് CG എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആ ലൈൻ. അതിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് വരുന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ആണ് BGD and BCD. Both these triangles are having same area, that is AFD and AED are having same area because they are coming under the same parallels and having the same base AD. Same way, this side, if BD is the base, then BCD and BGD are having same area and they are having the same base. So these two regions, this is common for both, that is ABD is common for both the pentagon as well as the triangle, whereas the new triangles, that is AFD and BGD, are having same area as the other sides of this triangle of that pentagon, that is AED and ഈ BCD എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഭാഗം തന്നെയാണ് BGD യുടെ ഏരിയയും, അതിന്റെ സെയിം ഏരിയ ആണ്. അതേപോലെ AED യുടെ ഏരിയ തന്നെയാണ് AFD യുടെ ഏരിയ. സോ both the pentagon and the triangle obtained are having equal area. So the pentagon, what's the name of the pentagon given? Pentagon is ABCDE. Pentagon ABCDE and triangle FGD, new triangle is FGD, are having equal area. So that is the construction or area related to the constructions related to areas, that is we have shown how to convert a triangle to a triangle of equal area, a quadrilateral to a triangle of equal area, and also pentagon to a triangle of equal area. So these all constructions show that the concept which you have studied earlier, the main concept. What is the concept? The triangles with the same base and coming under the same parallels will be having equal area. So again we are having a small more portion, little bit more portion left out, that is triangle division, which will be discussed in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.